for innovation, that it really transcends IAM. And, I've been having lots of conversations around enterprise architecture, thinking about kind of how do you track the value of a piece of data? And so I think of that as kind of like the data value chain. And, yes, people talk about data supply chains, and I think it's really important. It's getting more important, this kind of outcome-based thinking around data, and you guys know all about that over at Indykite. So I think we need to measure the value and risk of identity data. So, who wants to use it and why and for what, each step of the way. What does that data, this is very crude as a way to put it, but what is that data earning for a business? And what is the liability and risk profile of that piece of data?